What's up, everyone? Good morning. It is Tuesday morning at 10:14 my time. We are streaming live on LinkedIn and YouTube. And if you're watching, say what's up, say hello in the comments, say where you're watching from. Hope you guys are having a fantastic morning. It's 10:14. I've done some consulting this morning, and now I'm working on a product that I'm building for Snow Data Science. It's going to be a free product for all of you guys. I'm really excited about it. And I was just building it, and I was like, you know what? I want to live stream building it. I want to build in public. I want to share with you guys, get your guys' thoughts, get your guys' opinion. So I'm just going to go ahead and stream this whole time. So if you're watching, feel free to join. Feel free to add a comment. But I'm just gonna be working away and making a cool product that I hope you guys are excited about. It's going to be a Dash application. And it's going to be a personality quiz to figure out what data science career is right for you. I have all these like massive, sweet ideas about it. So I'm pretty excited about it to get building. Let's see, we got Derek. What's up, Derek? How you doing? Down in H-Town, the good old Houston. We got Mohammed, Johannes Nuara. What's up? How you doing? We got Nishi. Hi, how are you? Good morning or good afternoon or good evening, wherever you are. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get to work. But feel free to add to the comments, and I'll throw them up. I wish StreamYard had a little bit better. I wish I could be like a little smaller. Can I make myself smaller? No. Let's see. So no, that's fine. All right, we got Muhammad. What's up? How you doing? We got Shiva. I'm excited too. Good, Shiva. You should be excited. This is gonna be pretty fun. We got Prayuktha. Hi, how you doing? Sorry if I said your name wrong. Hope you're having a great day. Okay. So let's start building. This is what I've been building right here. It's gonna be pretty sweet. It's gonna be a personality quiz. It's gonna help you decide what data career is right for you. So I have this template I've been using in Dash. We're gonna go ahead and change a lot about it. You guys may have seen me post about this GIF DJ Al. I just love it so much. I have a PDF in here. It's a little small right now. We're gonna make it bigger, but don't worry about it. Hello, M. Narenda. How are you? Lahari, hey, what's up? Hope you're having a great day. So let's see. I'm going to start by changing some very simple things that are going to make a big difference, okay? So let's see. You guys are getting behind the scenes sneak peek because I haven't shown a lot of people this yet. Let's see. I'm going to grab the favicon. Oh, my dog's mad at me. Hold on. Oh, are you mad at me? Hold on. Copy. Oh, wait, we need to grab one of these on. Okay, puppy. Okay, my dog's mad at me. I'll be right back. Give me a little bit. I don't know what she needs. All right, I'm back and better than ever. She had to go outside. She had to go to the bathroom. I got a Lar bar to eat now. Okay, so let's see. I got this favicon. I'm gonna call it. What am I gonna call it? I'm gonna call it favicon.ping. We're gonna make that. Let's see. Yeah, favicon.ping. We're gonna go back to VS Code. We're coding in Python today. We're gonna search for favicon. Oh, I can't find it anywhere. What? Why is it slow? I think I actually really need to. I'm gonna exit this. I'm gonna try. I'm not very good at VS Code. Any VS Code people here? You guys use VS Code very often? I'm not very good at opening the right folder. Avinash, what's up? How you doing? Good morning. Data sets, products, data career quiz. Let's open up that. Open. So this is going to be a really fun quiz. I'm really excited about it. Check my phone. Let's see. Doesn't seem like the latency is streaming very good, is it? Mm. What's up? I beat Pati. I'm doing very well. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Let's see. What am I doing? All right, right here. Okay, nice. Now I have everything open that I need. Now I can search for favicon. Let's see. Is that how that works? Arvind, hey, Avery, suggestion. You should try making a GIF of your dog spinning. That would be awesome. I would love that. Yeah, does anyone know how to make these pixel art animations? I got this one online. Does anyone know how to make these? If you know how to make these, I will hire you to make some of these. I love these. So any suggestions for pixel art animation? Owner says, hey, Avery. What's up, Owner? How you doing? Hope you're having a great day. Good Tuesday. Satyaki says, hi, Avery. Really excited about your new product. Thanks. Me too. It's going to be really sweet. It's going to be a quiz. It's going to tell you what data career to pursue. Okay. So I guess it just knows where the favicon is. I can't remember how this works. Someone delete this old one. Add this new one in. Let's see. Rename. ICO. Yeah, that's fine. I think that stands for icon. Let's refresh. The page didn't load, so we got to kill it in terminal. Did it die? There we go. Died. Oh, nice. Now it reset. You see this? That's my new logo for my new project. Run it again. Derek says, I will learn how and get back to you, Avery. LOL. Okay, I don't think it's like super easy to make these pixel art animations. I wish it was. I don't think it is though. Owner says, dealing with time series drives me crazy. That's super hard. That's really hard. Time series is tough stuff. Muhammad says, hey, will you share the recording? I need to leave for my prayers for some time. All right, Muhammad. This should be on my LinkedIn and my YouTube. I'm not going to take it down, so just come back anytime and take a look. All right, here we are. Got this owl going, and we got our guy up here, our favicon. That's what that's called. Let's go back in and look for dash slides because I don't know where it is. Presentation title looks like. Okay. That'll appear in the tab. Let's call it what data career is right for you? That might be too long, but let's try that. I'm gonna say previous and next. I think those look fine, don't you? I think those look fine. Not gonna change those, so I'm just gonna save. Okay, I don't really like this functionality here. I don't think, and also, all right, let's get to the good part. Let's go to stuff I know how to do. We're gonna go to the slides and we're gonna go to the intro slide here. Okay, so nothing really important here. It's gonna have everything be centered. I need to decide if I really want it like that. Do I want it like that? Let's see. So I'm trying to decide. This seems like a really cool quiz. I'm going to use a lot of data science, like for the quiz results, actually, and it's going to be really cool. Like do some clustering, some like I don't know what the right word even is. Some data science. I'm just going to call it that. And I'm trying to decide if I should use sliders, like this, kind of like sliders. Let's see, how like this, like yeah, I kind of like this slider, I think. This slider right here, I guess actually, because it's going to give me a quantification on a scale of like 1 to 100, I guess. I'm trying to decide if these are going to be like annoying or not. What do you guys think? Taking a quiz. All right, poll time, everyone. Taking a quiz. Are these going to be annoying right here? This slider. I'm going to zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see very well. There we go. So I think, let's see. Boom. Or should I just have it have specific ones? I kind of like this. This is a little bit easier, huh? Yeah, okay, let's do this. Or I could do radio items, but I just don't think those look as good. I like the slider. We're going to go with the slider. All right, it's decided, everyone. Well, I'm still interested in your poll results, so let me know. What do you think? Slider, okay? Okay, great. So we're going to put a question and then a slider, basically. So to do that, I think the way I'm going to do it is I'll probably have 5, maybe 4. Yeah, we'll have 4, maybe 5 different answers for each question. Derek says anything worth doing is rarely easy. True. That is very true. All right, so let's see. I should probably create a function that is going to do this automatically for me a little bit, because it's going to be hard to do otherwise, I think. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have like a CSV. So let's open up Excel. Mohit says that could be exciting. It's going to be very exciting, Mohit. Very exciting. Prayutha, I'm so sorry. I know I'm saying your name wrong. Specific sliders would be great. Yeah, I agree. I think specific sliders is the best option. That way you think a little bit, but you don't have to think too much. Kind of the options are already there. All right, so this is going to be a CSV, and it's going to have question, right? Let's see. That's going to be the question. This is going to be answer 1. I'll do spaces. Answer 2. Answer 3. Answer. That's a hard word to spell. 4. All right. I have 4 answers. Let me think. Is that enough? Yeah. And it's going to be like, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like stuff? I think so. Let's take like, I don't know. Let's make 5 questions just for a demo. Okay. So let's take a question. Maybe question. Yeah, maybe we'll add actually the index. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay. So the question's going to be, how much do you like? No, do you like to code? Not at all. I love it. Let's say it is all right. It is pretty good. Eric says should have 5 answer choices, I think. I think you might be right. Or maybe even just 3. I think you're right. You need some middle ground. All right, let's add answer 5. Thanks, Derek. I agree. Thanks for your input. Let's see. It's it's all right. It's probably the middle. Just a little bit. Maybe have a neutral. Yeah. Derek is right. Everyone claps to Derek. Derek, you helped scoping this project right here, making this product. All right. How much you like to code? All right. Let's do that. This is kind of interesting. Would you rather problem solve or be creative? Let's say this is all creative, all problem solve. Little of both. Let's just say balanced, maybe in the middle. Balanced. And let's say some creative. Let's say lots of creative, some problem solve. That's too long. I need to figure that out. We'll say mostly creative, mostly problem solve. What's another good question? I filled out too many of these recently for job applications, so I just had a recent experience with server type questions. I know server type questions are kind of sucky, huh? What do you think, Derek? Should I have them all be like the same answer, or like should like, you know what I'm saying? Like a lot, kind of a lot, middle, not a lot, none. Is that easier to follow? You guys go back and change this. Mm, what's another good distinguisher? You like cloud computing? I'll just say nope. Yes. Kinda. I almost feel like 3 is almost enough. Kinda like, but 3 is maybe not enough. Oh, is my camera glitching? Hold on. My camera might be glitching. Boop. Yeah, Derek's right. Maybe better that way if you can word all the questions to work with it. Yeah, I think you're probably right. Okay. Gonna take me a while to get the questions. So let's just ignore that. And yeah, I'm eating on camera. I don't care. My camera's still glitching. Hold on. All right, that's enough for right now. Let's see. Let's just throw it in here for now. Quiz questions. We're gonna make it a CSV. Mohit says, I can't thumbs up your comments, so thumbs up. And Mohit says, intensity questions like, how much do you like Python? Yep, I like that. Keep that one in mind. Okay, enough questions for now. I'm gonna have to think about those a lot more. Let's get to the actual structure. So we're gonna create a function in Python. Maybe we'll put it. Here are some like custom utilities that they have. So let's just add another one down here. Let's call def make quiz question. Okay, and that's too long, so let's just call it make MQQ. And what is that going to take in? I take in a data frame row, probably. So I'm just going to call it df row. And what is it going to return? Now, this is important. What do we want to return? We probably want to return the whole thing, I think. Let's see. We probably want to return a whole slider. So basically, we're going to return this. Okay. We need to import dash core components as DCC. And let's just make this formatted a little better. That. And the marks, we're going to have it be, yeah, just pretty much like this. Well, I guess it'll be 2.5 and it'll be 7.5. And the phrase here, though, is going to be coming from the df row. So it's going to be like df row in the answer one. Okay. And we could just make them all the same for right now, just for being quick sake. We'll make them different. All right, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And is there anything else I need to do with that? Actually, we need to be returning an html.div here, where that's going to be part of it, but not all of it. So that's the end of the div. So let's push that to there, right there. And the div's going to have, to start that there, end it there. Derek says, one of the surveys I did recently had 3 different sections. One was agree, disagree, neutral. The next section was 2 different options, and you had to put the selection as close to either to one side or not in the middle. Point being, you could try to do sections within each section. Wow, yeah, the answer options are the same. Excuse the long and late comment. That's fine. I like that. We'll just leave it for right now, I think. I do need to import HTML in here, which I can never remember. Oh, it's just like that. Oh, yeah, that's right. I guess. Oh, because it's just doing HTML dot. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So, and I need the div here to also have like just a DCC, which I guess they're calling HTML dot I don't know, 3. I'm gonna have it say here. No, let's have it actually do what it's supposed to do, which is the question. So that's df row in the question section. And add a comma here. Okay. So then inside of the intro.py, we're going to have to use pandas here. Import pandas as PD. PD.read CSV. What is the CSV called? Quiz questions. Quiz questions.csv. We're going to call this the QQ, which is for quiz questions. Okay, once you've read that, then we're going to do a for loop for I in QQ I think let's just do print I, okay? And let's save that. Open up the terminal. Go here. Refresh the page. All right, I didn't see it print anything. Did you guys? Let's try resetting the whole thing. Okay, there it goes. It did answer question 1, answer 2. Okay, so that's actually not what I want to do. I want to do .iter rows, I think, is what it is. What it is? Let's ask Google. All right, I do this all the time. We gotta ask Google all the time. Panda, no. Python iterate data frame rows by row. I think it's iter, but I can't remember. You can see I've already been here. Oh, it was iter rows. I was right, but it didn't have the. Let's just copy that actually right there. Paste it into the code. Okay, it's gonna have an index and row. So let's print the row, and remember it's not. Oh, let's just call it df. That's fine. Okay. And start it. Let's see. So I want to see the row be displayed. Okay. I think that's going to work. So then, instead of doing that, we're going to repeat this. So we're going to call this function, which is going to be this right here. And we need to be appending it. So let's call this html.div. Give it a name. Let's call this the questions. And we're going to do, I need to append to that HTML. Children, I think, right? Let's see, I don't remember how to do that, so we're going to Google it. Dash append to HTML div. Add dynamic content to a div. I think you need to use the children section, but I can't remember how to do that. So here's the div. And, oh, the children. I don't want it to call back, though. Oh, I think I just need to make a list. So let's just make a list. So let's just call this list of questions. And I think if I go back to that one, actually, we're just going to do like that. And we're just going to do list of questions dot append. Oh, and it doesn't know what this is, right? It doesn't know what MQQ is because it needs the custom utilities. So we need to do this to here. Import MQQ. Right, because that's on the custom utilities, custom functions. Yep. Okay, we're good. And it's going to be called row here, actually. And it's going to be added there. Okay, great. Then we're basically just going to throw html.div children equals list of, isn't it auto-completing? Questions. All right, and then like that. Okay, I hit save. Go ahead and go to the top here. If I refresh the page, is it going to work? Nope, it is not. Why is that? I do not know. I restart the whole app, see if that works. I thought it would at least give me an error. Oh, nice. Look at that. Cool. So obviously that works. It looks pretty good. Not bad. Pretty sweet, guys. We got some stuff going on. Obviously, it's too long, too wide. So we're going to put a width on the right here, I think. And we'll just go style equals, I think you can just do like this, width, and just say 45%. Refresh. Nope, that didn't work. Try resetting it. I don't actually know if that's going to work. Oh, it's mad at me. Oh, because it wasn't running. Okay, now it's running. Okay. So it did do what I wanted it to do. So great. Question like that, the second one always drives me crazy because I like to creatively solve problems. It's probably not a great question, Derek. You're probably right. Now the question is, the question is, do I want these to be stacked left or stacked in the middle? I kind of like stacked in the middle. People like justify left though. So let's just center it real fast. I think you should just be able to do like margin auto maybe. I'm not great at this. Auto, and then like justify center. That's right. Reset it. Run. Come on. It's a little slow. Nice. That actually looks really sexy. I'm actually pretty stoked on that. Okay. So now you just need to come up with the questions now. The other question is how many questions per page do I want to do? And then the other thing is we need to take all of their answers and add it to a CSV somewhere. So let's make this a little bit more simplified. Derek says centered looks good. I think it'll look good on mobile too, and that's what I'm really concerned about. So let's just keep it like that. A slide for random. Okay. A slide for a picture, and then the end. Okay, so I'm going to do some stuff right now. So let's see. I'm going to take the end page. So that's probably called last. Open that up. You see it just has content equals that. Instead, I'm going to go to the intro page. And is this content? Everything's inside of that content? Okay, great. So I just need to grab the sections I'm interested in, which are really just these for the end page. And let's go over to last. And I'm sure it has that on the front page, right? Where does it say that? Oh yeah, children equals. So let's just say children equals, and then we start that. Oh, not access key. I want it to be blank in there. Okay. So I think we can save that. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, let's save that. Save this. What else? So I don't really need the other pages. So I know if I go to presentation.py, I can take out the other pages. I only need intro and last for right now. All right, I'm gonna hit save there. I know another thing I want to do is look at this. Oh, maybe not. That looks pretty complicated. I'm looking, all right, here. This is the logo that we are looking at. Let's go ahead and let's add my new logo in there. So my new logo is pretty sweet, guys. Data Career Jumpstart right there. Opening a new course pretty soon, Data Career Jumpstart. If you're here, which I don't know if anyone is other than Derek, I can't see. If you're here, say hi. You are getting a sneak peek to my brand new course. I have not announced it to anyone. I have not really told the name to anyone. So this is behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, I guess. All right, let's add that into the source. It's going to be oh, what? Return if x equals logo. I don't want any of that actually. If there logo, if there's one, get logo, assets, split assets. That's fine. I can just do, I don't need all that. Thank you though, person who wrote this code. We don't need all that. We just need this. If I know what mine's called. Let's put, oh, we got DN. YouTube is better than LinkedIn streaming. Yeah, I agree. But more people watch on LinkedIn, DN. So I don't know what to do there. But yes, I agree. YouTube is better than LinkedIn for streaming. But I need to build my YouTube audience. My YouTube audience isn't big enough right now. I got to build it up. Going to watch it on YouTube Live. Oh, okay. There you go. That makes sense. Maybe it's poor quality. Um, yeah, go watch on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube. Do it. I need some more followers there. Assets. All right, let's see. Hit save. Go back here. Didn't work, but that's probably because I have to restart the whole thing. Boop. 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 All right, it's loading, 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 loading. Oh, it's mad at me. Got multiple arguments for children, and that is in last.py. Okay, screwed that one up. Why is that? You should have gotten one list. Let's see what IntroPy does. It does children. Oh, you know what? Let's get rid of this guy right here. Doesn't need that. No, try it. Let's see. Let's see if it will work. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Go back here. This is what a day-to-day of data scientist life looks like. Okay, that's last. Nice. And let's go to intro. Oh, nice. Sweet. So the question is, guys, if you're watching, I need your help. I need your input here. I'm gonna have a lot of questions. Should I have them on multiple pages? Like one per page? I think that's a lot of work, actually. I don't want to do that. Should I have like 10 per page? Maybe I'll have like different themed pages. I think different themed pages sounds good, but what do you guys think? Yeah, I think that'll be the case. And you know what? This logo right here. Actually, let's go back here. That logo. I wonder if I can make that a link. Let's see. So let's see. So I think instead of doing that logo, I actually want to do a different logo. So you guys are getting an intro. Go with 5. You think I should have 5 pages, DN? 5 per page. Everyone says 5. I like it. 5 per page. All right, 5 per page. How many pages should we have? 5 pages? How many do you think we should have? Let's see. So somewhere, oh, here's like 1. That might look good up there. I also have like another one. Let's see. Um, you can see I haven't been doing a great job of keeping my information very clear. Let's see. That one's kind of cool. That's my new LinkedIn banner right now. Let's see. Working on a website. Can't show you guys too many details yet. Can't show you too many details yet. There's a good logo. All right, we don't have a good logo. We're gonna just use this one for now. I'm gonna call it logo 2, I think. Logo 2. Change this to logo 2. Let's see. Right there. Logo 2. And let's see. Can you make let's see. HTML div image link to URL. Yes. I think you do that with just like href. Let's see, what does it have? href. Okay. I think image source. Oh, or is it inside of that? Let's see. I can never remember. Let's go to HTML. Let's go to dash. Let's go to all right, let's just do DCC image and DCC link with image. Okay, I don't want upload. I want this one. Children key. Looking for like a link, data, cross origin. Let's just type in href. Nope. Link. Nope. All right, DNCC link clickable a tag on image dash source. Let's see what this says. You can see I do a lot of Googling. Even though I do this a lot. I do this like every day. I still need to remember. Hi. Within the HTML tag. Oh, okay. So I need to be an A. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is have it be HTML.a. And is it an href? Yep. Href. All right, y'all. Here's another behind the scenes sneak peek never seen before. I don't even know if I'm ready to show you guys. Is anyone listening? If you're here, you're gonna see my brand new website. I have it hidden right now, so you can't see it. You can only sign up for the email list to be added when the course is ready. There's a whole website hidden behind here somewhere. If you're really tech savvy, maybe you can find it. But right now I have it hidden behind this landing page. So sneak peek, only been seen right here on this very show. I'm going to add the href to go there. And I'm going to hit save. I might make this a little bit bigger than 40 pixels, actually. Maybe I'll make 100 pixels. See how that looks. And kill it. Rerun it. Open here. cool. I don't know who this is. I'm sorry. Maybe your privacy settings or something on LinkedIn isn't letting me see who this is. If you want to say your name in the comments, tell me so I can know who it is. We know we got Sandeep here. Maybe Sandeep's the one watching. Sandeep's watching. Hello. Sweet. So you guys got a sneak peek today. All right. Oh man, it's like couldn't do it. Why did that happen? Okay. Well, it was working with the image earlier. So why couldn't you find? Oh, because I did image 2, and it should be logo 2, like that. Right. Hit refresh. Not gonna work. Have to kill it. Sucky part about Dash sometimes is it needs a little kick in the butt to get going. Oh, Sandeep saw the sneak peek, loved it. I like it. Feel free to go there, input your email. That'd be awesome. Oh, I just got. Oh wait, no, I didn't. Derek said I saw the sneak peek too. LOL. That's what you guys get. You guys get the sneak peek for being on the broadcast for so long. I'm back. Can you guys hear me? Oh yeah. Sorry, I refreshed the wrong page. Derek said, I'm just taking care of my 2-year-old, so I haven't been able to comment right away. Oh, that's fine. Thanks, Derek. How's your 2-year-old? Hopefully they're doing good. Okay, so that looks okay. We'll leave it for now because I don't like how it takes you away from the page though. So let's see if I can figure that out. Let's go to search the Google href, open in new tab because I don't want it to take them away from the page. All right, everyone's back. Okay, sorry guys, that was my fault. How to use HTML to open a, let's see, the anchor element. To open in a new tab, just set the target attribute to blank. She's great. We are building Legos. That's awesome. That's super fun. Oh, that's super fun. All right, so let's just try this. Let's see if this one works. Let's throw the word target in there to, let's see, this, because that's pretty important. You don't want it to go to a different page. Philippe K, what's up? How you doing? Thanks for telling me who he was. All right, target equals blank. All right, so let's hit save. Go back here. I think I have to kill it again. Run it. I'll refresh the right page this time. Let's see. All right, so now if I click it, it opens in a new tab. Awesome. All right, and everyone says that they think they should have 5 questions on a page. Should be 25 questions long. I don't know how many questions to do. 25 probably seems like the limit because you don't want to get bored during it, you know? So maybe we'll have 5 different sections to the page. So let's think. How do I want to do that? Should I have 5 different CSVs? Should I do an Excel? I'll have 5 different CSVs. That'll just be the simplest thing. I'm going to try to get this up as fast as I can. So, okay, let's go back to the. I think we need actually an intro page, right? I want to like say hello. So the question is, do I? Oh, looks like it's doing that thing again where it's like all bugging out. Hold on, let me try. I got new computer equipment, guys. Oh, is it still is like my video flashing or no? Wow, Derek's going all out. I've got my laptop hooked up to my living room TV so I can watch while we play. Derek's the real MVP. Gotta appreciate that. 25 questions sounds like a good length. Yeah, I think so too. Okay, so now the next question is I need some sort of a like welcome page, and I I'm doing this for free, but I want to build my email list, just being transparent with you guys. So I need to also have some place to get some emails too. So I need a landing page. Oh, Michael Taggart says it's fixed now. Hey, what's up, Taggart? How you doing? Good to see you. Okay, so the question is, how am I going to do the email? All right, so let's add another page here. Oh, it's not fixed again. Let's add another page. Let's see. So we can just take one of these other ones and delete stuff out of it. Oh, Derek, you think I should type in your email to get the final results? Like I should make them take the quiz first and then you only get the final results. Oh, you're quoting it. So that's just what people always do. Yeah. Um Taggart's asking a good question. Sorry, I'm just used to calling you Taggart. Do you want to save info in a database? I do want to save the info in a database. And I also need this to be deployed. I need to put it in the cloud. Gosh, what is doing that? I don't know why my video is so glitchy, but I got a new camera. You guys want to see it? Look at this. Ready? There's my new camera. It's a DSLR. So instead of streaming on this crappy webcam, I can stream on that, but I'm waiting for one more part to come in. So I can't do it today. But soon, yeah, it does seem like the industry standard method. I agree. I might do it up front just so people don't. I hate when I do the quiz. I just want to be up front. I'm getting emails like, put your email in here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I think we'll take the actual contents of intro and we're just going to actually drop that into maybe, oh, but they have this callback here. Do I need this callback? No, that callback's pretty simple. I'm gonna be fine without it. I'm gonna drag all of this. Actually, I'm just gonna rename this whole thing. So I'm gonna hit, no, let me think what I wanna do. Yes, let's call this page one, okay? Page one. Okay, so that's page one now. So I need to go to presentation and put in page one. Page one. I know, bug on the video. That's right. It's very true. It'll get better though. Don't worry. Stay patient. Also, I'm living with my in-laws right now because the house that we bought is being rented out. But I'll be in there in a month, and we're gonna have so much faster internet. I'm gonna have gig speed internet. Derek, I know we talked about internet a while ago. I'm doing an update on my internet this time, so I'm gonna have gig speed, so it'll be a lot better. All right, we're going back to Michael Taggart's question. You want to save the info in a database? I do. The question is, what type of database do I make? Am I going to make it like a SQL database? Where am I going to deploy this? Because it has to be in the cloud. Should I just be really like ghetto and just make a CSV my database? To be honest, I've never actually made a database from scratch for a Dash project. So that's going to take me some thoughts to know how to do. So I got to think about that. All right, let's go back to intro because the intro page is going to change now. We no longer need like any of this crap. Let's delete all that. All right, we do need to end the children and the div. Now the question is here, we can delete all of that too. The question is here, the question is here, how does data transfer from page to page? I do not know the answer to that. Very good question. I do not know the answer to that. So we're gonna have to figure that out. The question is on the front page, do I just make it in Dash, the welcome stuff, or yeah, I think I do. So let's add a div. Let's make it have a background. of sorts. And on that div, we're going to have inputs for name, email. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. In the spirit of being transparent, you could have a button that says at the end, join the email list for the more great content and continue results, and then a smaller button for, say, skip and sign up and continue results. I could, Derek, but I'm evil and I want their emails if they're going to use it for free. Because as you can see, I've been on here, for an hour, and that's an hour that I'm not spending doing something else. So I'm nice, but I also want something in return. I'm just being honest. And I put out really good content in my emails, so hopefully people don't care as much. I don't know why my thing is bugging so bad. Oh well, I'm just gonna leave it. But it's a good point. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna make a div, and that div needs to have an image. So let's see. Um, mm, mm, mm. Let's see. Div. Let's go. Div with background image. Let's throw the word dash in there just so I don't have to be as lazy. Well, hey, my first suggestion was to require the email to get the results. Yeah, it's true. I kind of poo-pooed both of them, didn't I, Derek? I'm sorry. Oh, I like it. I like it. All right. Background image. Let's see. Um, okay, that's just saying embedding images. I don't need that. Let's see. Yes, you just need to set, okay, background image style and HTML div. Okay, so let's create a div. I don't know how many pixels to make the div. That's kind of the hard thing about this. So I guess we'll just guess at first. We'll say HTML.div, and we'll make the style. Well, no, we'll just do. Yeah, let's just do style equals, and let's just background image, and then you just need to put, does it say source? Oh, it just says you link to the URL. So let's just try assets. Which logo? Logo 2. Okay. Assets, I think, and then logo 2.png. I don't think you need anything there. I end the div. Okay, what's wrong with that? That seems like it should be right. Where that guy's ending there? Oh, it's mad at this. Oh yeah, because this is not a dictionary. Oop, oh, oop. And now it's a dictionary. All right, sweet. End it. Restart it. So now we should have this landing page. Oh, it's mad. Why is it mad? Let's just go. Oh, it's mad. And why doesn't it have, oh, because I didn't add it? Or did I not save? Oh, I didn't save. All right, hold on. Saved everything else though, right? Let's see. Loading. All right, Derek, what Legos are you building? You got anything fun? Got any fun Legos? All right, page 1. Okay, page 1 works. The last page works. The intro page works. No, it doesn't, because it doesn't have a div. Why doesn't it have a div? So let's take a look. Intro. I thought that would work. Like, what do I need to say in here? Like, do I need to say children equals boop. And do like that. And let's put this style in front. And then children. And there's the children. Michael Taggart says, what was the out page? That just made my day. I know, isn't that fun? So if you're just joining in, I'm working on a new product that's going to be advertising my new course, which is called Data Career Jumpstart. It's going to be pretty intensive course, teaching like anyone to change from their job now to become a data scientist or a data analyst. And I'm making this quiz as kind of a lead magnet to get people excited about it and to help people decide if a data career is right for them, and if so, what might be the right option. And so it's like a personality quiz, right? And Michael said, where are you streaming? YouTube and LinkedIn right now. Yep, that's it. I'll get to that in a second, Derek. So it's a personality quiz, and at the end of the personality quiz, you're going to get a personality. And I want to make it one of these like pixel art animations. So this is a demo I have of what it would look like. Isn't it fun though? I think it's super fun. So I'm gonna make some of these. So if you know how to make them, let me know. Derek says they are big, non-choking hazard Legos. Oh, nice! You got the chunky ones. We're waiting on the new animal Lego set we just ordered for her. Fun! That's awesome. What a good dad. Way to go, Derek. Okay, so we're going back to the code here. We're mostly focused on the intro page because it's so weird. And we need to put a style here, and then I need to drag that here, I think. Let's see, now the children ends and now the div ends. Okay, let's just add like an html.h1 and say, welcome. What data career is right for you? Question mark. All right, save, restart. Super sucky, I have to restart it every time. I don't really know why that's happening. Load, 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 load. Load. So that background image is definitely not popping up. Let's see. How do I make that pop up? So this background image thing is not working. Did I spell it right? Style equals background image. Maybe it's a URL link. For example, CSS. Let's see this example. Let's go and what am I doing again? Oh yeah, background image. Background image. What? That seems like I'm doing it right because the style. Maybe I spelled. Let's try this exact one. This is gonna be like some. Maybe the assets is wrong. Did I do that wrong? Derek says, hoping her brain will soak up some little data science knowledge from hearing you stream in the background. Derek's daughter is about to be the best data scientist of all time. That is super fun. Yeah, the LinkedIn beta streaming program. Yeah, I've been in it for, I don't know, 8 months or something now. I got denied the first time, so if you've tried, just keep going. All right, I think maybe the assets is wrong. Did I? Oh yeah, see, stupid Avery. This dumb. Sorry, I didn't mean to say stupid in front of your daughter, Derek. I'm really sorry. That backslash should have been not there. Shouldn't have been there. So now restart it, and now let's see if it works. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I love it, Coulter. Coulter says, watching you struggle through this gives me some hope as an aspiring data scientist. Glad to see what it's really like. Yeah, you can see I'm an hour in and I haven't really gotten that far, have I? Why is that happening? So we have a background image, we have assets, logo 2. Is there just like any chance that it's just like something else really stupid? Let's try refreshing again. Nope. So let's go back to the Google search and see if we can find something else. So Plotly dash Plotly dash div background image. Well, here's an unable. Derek says, I'm certain she hears way worse from from her mom and I. Well, I'm sorry anyways. Also, yes, it's been nice to watch you Google the function to iterate through rows. Yep, I am not good at programming. I always forget, so don't worry about it. Michael Taggart says, where's your assets folder? It should be, it's working for the other one, so it should be in the right place. It is, here's my, let's see, my index, and it's going into assets, and it should be finding logo2.ping. You're right. Maybe I should try one more time. Let's try assets. That's how you spell it. Logo2.ping. Yeah, that should be right. Let's just try logo.ping and see if that works. I don't know. You never know. I don't think that's gonna work. We'll just we'll keep looking. The only solution looks like it's there, but you have it off screen. Oh, for example, update the image dictionary to. Oh, is that what's happening? Guys, is that what's happening? Is it off screen? That would be crazy. Background. Let's see. Oh, he doesn't even have it in his code. Did you make your Linux server or are you using a cloud service? So, okay, so I'm on a Mac. So I'm automatically have this localhost thing. That's just running local. I'm going to need to use a cloud service. Unless you want to teach me, Coulter, how to do a Linux server, because I don't know how to do that. But I'll probably end up using Heroku or Google Cloud Platform to deploy this. It is not deployed right now. But it would be fun to deploy by the end of this, which I'm hoping will be in an hour. But why is this not working? This guy doesn't even have like the word background in here. So I don't really trust him. Going out. Oh, crap. Did I click on the wrong thing? Yeah, I did. Add background image. Gosh, lots of people struggling with this. Here's a working demonstration. Is it because I need to use a URL? Is that what's going on? For the heck of it, let's just try this URL. You could test. Oh, that's a good point. Tagger, I could test by making it a ridiculous size. Instead, let's just try this. See if that works. Oops. Need the innards here. All right. Oh, I got 2 of those somehow. All right, let's see if that works. Save. Exit, restart it. Okay. Okay. So it does have that image there. So maybe you do need it to be a URL? That seems stupid. Also kind of a weird image. I don't know what it is. I guess we could probably find out. Oh, it's a North Star. Okay. Yeah, that's what the image looks like. Okay. So we have an image. So let's see. Let's maybe try one more thing. Let's try background image from local CSS. I don't really want to. How to give the background image path in CSS. Let's see what that says. Oh, is it? Do I need to use the URL? Oh, look at that. You need to use URL. Who knew? Who freaking knew? I did not know that. Okay, so let's hit Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and then just type in URL, and that's gonna work. Are you freaking kidding me? This is the life of a programmer, am I right? Like the stupidest things make such a big difference, and you're like, why does it like that's not even a URL in my opinion, but okay, sweet. So that you see that's gonna work. Because you can see kind of oh, it looks like it's like repeating itself too, which is kind of interesting. All right. Derek says I definitely need to learn some more HTML stuff. HTML stuff's really hard. No, what's happening is you have the background image of the div being the image. No, what's happening? You do not need a URL. Oh, what you want is the background of the entire page. What's happening is that you have the background of the div being the image. That's what I wanted. I just want it to look like this, even though it looks dumb right now. I think that's gonna look fine in a little bit, but maybe you're right. I don't know. Coulter says, I'm still learning. I have a Linux headless server trying to force myself to learn it. The networking stuff is where I'm stuck. It's a bit confusing, but happy to share what I've done with you want so far. Have the hardware for, or you could run through a VM from your Mac. Wow. Coulter, you're ahead of me. I don't know how to do any of that. Yeah, maybe we'll see, because it is kind of pricey doing a cloud platform. So we'll see if I get there. All right, let's just add some extra stuff. Let's just say like, I don't know, HTML H6, take the quiz everyone is talking about, hopefully. And then we're gonna need like, gonna need to make a like input section. Let's see, I want to have an input section. I'm just trying in my head thinking how I want that to look. If you want to have like an input, and then like a go button, I think that sounds fine. I mean, it's not like ideal, but like let's just do it. Trying to get it done fast. I'm doing this from scratch. Like this is pretty crazy. Like I have looked at a service that was like $20 a month to make these types of things, but it wasn't going to be exactly what I wanted it to be. So I'm like, I'm just going to do it. All right, so let's see, HTML dot input and say, need to look this one up too. DCC input. I can't remember like how you say, what is it, value? Is that what it is? Let's see. Yes, let's see. Input value. Oh yeah, and look at we can even like specify it as an email, I think. Right? Let's see. Allowed types. Let's see. Text, allowed types, email. Yeah, see. So here it is. It's an ID, the type, and the placeholder. Okay. So this is going to be a type, which is going to be text. Type equals text. Derek says, Coulter, networking is so weird. The knowledge difficulty seems to go from 0 to 100 immediately. Yeah, I don't think that's my expertise. And Michael says, yup. That's awesome. I don't know anything about that. Not my expertise. I'll let someone else figure it out. All right, type. Let's do a placeholder. And let's have it say name. I'll just say full name just for fun. Okay. And I mean, we're eventually going to need an ID, so I'm just going to say ID equals name. And eventually we're going to need an email. So let's just say type equals, I think it's email. Is that what it is? That's sweet. I didn't even know that they could do that. What happens if I like try to put like a non-email here? Like, all right. Oh, it's red. Oh, that's cool. Avery@snow.com. Okay, it lets that through. It's not my email, but there's no way I can get around that. Let's see. Taggart says I do something like this: input email, type text, value email, on change, set email, target value input. Yeah, I think we're going to do something similar to that. Obviously, a little less JavaScript-y on the set email. I do need to figure out how I'm going to use a database. I don't know what I'm doing there, to be honest. I'll figure that out, but I'm not worried about it right now. Okay, email placeholder equals email ID, guess what, equals email. And the value gets sent to the database once the button is clicked. Yeah, that's true. I'm trying to decide. You're probably right. That's probably the best thing to do. We're going to have this we're going to have this, shoot. It's going to be, well, let's just put a button in for now. HTML.button, I think is what I want to do. Let's go find it. On this button. Oh. Button. No, not a logout button, just a regular button. Is there not a regular button? There has to be, right? TCC button. I can't remember any of this in Dash. HTML.button. Why weren't you popping up earlier? Yes, lots of decisions. I need to figure out. I think you're right, though. I think it's probably the best thing to do. All right, it's a button. The word is submit and end clicks. Okay. We'll say, take me to the quiz. And we'll say ID equals start button. And then we'll just say end clicks equals 0. Okay, so then let's see what that looks like just for fun. Stop, restart. There is a lot of decisions. There are millions of decisions. Oh no, has no attribute input. Come on, you have an attribute input. Did I spell it wrong? What? Hold on. Lowercase I? That could be the case. No, DCC. All right, let's just call it DCC. I don't know why I'm calling it HTML. It should be called DCC. Oh, because this is the HTML components. Okay, that actually makes sense. HTML components, core components. HTML components, core components. All right, rerun. Oh my gosh, where did my Chrome go? Oh, there it is. All right, refresh. Oh, okay. Interesting. So that looks a little hokey, I think. I think you want one for each line. It's also using a CSS I don't really like. I probably have to change that. Dude, this is awesome. I gotta get to work. I love your stream. Do you have a stream schedule? Thanks, Michael. I don't have a stream schedule. I don't usually work while I'm streaming or stream while I'm working, but I've tried to build more in public, so I thought I'd do it today. But thanks for joining in. Appreciate you. I guess so. In order to combat those all being on the same line, I'm just going to be lazy and put breaks in between them. I think that'll solve the problem. I hate the way that button looks. So we're gonna have to go try to solve that in CSS. But let's just get the full thing, out first. I'm saying just like functioning. Let's see if I can refresh it. I don't know why it's making me exit it every single time too. Oh, okay, there we go. Load. All right, that's pretty sexy. Not bad. Derek says, honestly, Avery, this is probably the best type of stream you have done yet. Well, thanks. You're the only one who's really watched probably the whole thing, Derek. So I appreciate you. It is pretty fun. Yeah, exactly what you just said. It is fun to see the process. Everyone. It's like Instagram versus reality. Everyone just shows the results. I'm trying to show, what it takes to get there. Okay, so that doesn't look fantastico, but it looks okay. So it's gonna look like that. I don't know. Kind of weird. And then it's gonna be take me to the quiz. The question is, do I make it take me to the quiz? This should be disabled until you press this button. So gotta think about how to do that. Then you're gonna have these sections here. I'm just gonna delete the page one crap at the bottom. I don't need that stuff. Yeah, so this stuff I do not need, just need that. Save. And then this next, let's work on the last page. It's going to say something like, HTML if, I don't know, let's just do HTML H1, have it say, congrats, you matched with ... Maybe we'll have that actually be like H3 or something like that. Then we're gonna have HTML1, H1 will say like data scientist. And then this will be the image, which is a little big right now, I would say. Probably need that to be about 600 if I had to take a guess. Then you're gonna scroll down here. And it's probably gonna say something like H5. Data scientists are ... and it's gonna have like HTML.p. Really cool, really fun, and get paid a lot. All right. And then we're gonna have let's see, an HTML.h3. It's gonna say download the full PDF summary. And then it's gonna have this PDF, which you've already seen. The width of which, I think you just do width, I think, and say it is 600 px. Let's try that. Did a couple things here. Oh, it's mad. Line 15, I missed a, oh, right there, comment. Missed another comment right there. And I think I'm good. Almost lunchtime for me. Lunchtime for anyone else? Everyone else already eaten? What'd you guys eat for lunch? Oh, fetch. Can't do the width. HTML iframe width. We need to Google that. HTML iframe width Oh, and we're gonna need a download button there too, which is gonna download the PDF. Let's see. Oh, I guess you just do 200. All right, 600. Oh, I missed a period. That's the problem, or a comma. So actually, we need a. Oh, that's not going to be. That's going to be a button, not an HTML3. I think. Let's make it a button. Button. Derek said we had a late breakfast because we got Shipley's. Yum. For those who haven't been, Shipley's is a donut place. Pretty good. I'd go for a donut right now. Is my video even working? I feel like my video is not working. Yeah. I feel like the whole stream's frozen. Was the whole stream frozen? Is it pretty spotty? That's fine, I guess. Pretty sure it's just my homie Derek in the audience, anyways. All right, let's refresh this page. Oh yeah, that looks super good. That's kind of what I want it to look like right there. Yeah, that looks good. Download the full PDF summary, and then we need to put a height on this too, I think. That a height. All right, Derek says he sees the stream fine. Sweet. Height equals. All right, guys. Since it's a PDF, I want it to kind of look like a PDF dimensions. So if I have the width set to 600, which is what it's set to right now, just to kind of match the rest of the page, right? Then what is the height? So I guess we know, right? A piece of paper is about a PDF size. That's 8.5 by 11. So if we said that that is 600 is the 8.5. So let's just do 8.5 times 11. 93. Wait, no. I'm supposed to do 11 divided by 8.5 is 1.2 times by 600. That means the height should be 776. All right, let's do that. Let's try that, see how that looks. I'm also noticing, I hate these buttons. We're gonna have to deal with these buttons, but that's fine. They don't do anything right now. But that also needs a break in between, it looks like. Maybe we could throw margins on, I guess. Just a break for now. I also saw some other places, yeah, after the data scientists are. So let's add a whole html.br there. That looks pretty good otherwise, though. And I think at the top, I'm going to delete the break. It doesn't need one. All right, save that. Let's check the other pages just to see how they're looking. Page 1. That's going to look really good, I think. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. And let's see, the intro page doesn't look good right now, but we're going to fix that. Okay. All right, who's still here? Just Derek? Derek got 776, nice. All right, Derek, / anyone else who's watching, comment now so I know you're watching. Need to make a decision here about if I want the whole page to be white. What do you think? The white looks pretty good, don't you think? Like this looks really good, I feel like, in white. So I think I should leave it as white. I should just probably change the logo, and I'm gonna change this image too, to be something a little bit better, I think. But it'll probably be still white text. I'll probably just take a stock image if I had to guess. Okay. Let's think. What else? Derek likes the white. I like the white too, Derek. So what's an easy step for me right now? This page, I'm really stoked on this page. Let's just look at that page again. I've updated it. Yeah, that looks awesome. Yep, that PDF looks great. Seriously, gonna look super good. Oh wait, there's a download button right there. Oh my gosh. I don't even need this button because the download button's right there, right? That works? Oh, yeah, that is fine. That is fine with me. Yep, we're getting rid of that. Someone's already coded something that I don't have to do. We're gonna take that and run with that. Connor, what's up? How you doing? Hope you're having a great Tuesday. Connor Dixon. I'm just here with Derek trying to make a new product. We're making a questionnaire to figure out what data science career path someone should take. This is the final page. Okay. So I really like this final page. Honestly, I think that's good enough for right now. I think that's going to look pretty sweet. We're going to obviously change some stuff. Right here, though, I guess we could add some questions. Let's make it like more realistic a little bit. Let's just add some more questions. And I guess we're going to have Derek and I decided on 5. I need to come up with the questions probably on my own, but let's just add some more here. Are you introverted or extroverted? Let's just do extreme introvert. Let's see. So Connor, I'm open to any suggestions you have on any of this, by the way. We know. Extrovert. In between. A little shy. Pretty outgoing. A little more question. Some of these too. I like would you rathers. I think those are working pretty good. Would you or like choices, kind of like machine learning or data viz, but that's like kind of too obvious. How much time can you spend alone? That's kind of another one. Any questions you guys got? Coding. How important is finding insights to you? This is not important. This is the whole point. And in between, meh. Pretty important. All right, so that's one set of questions there. One thing I feel like it's left out a lot is salesmanship versus persuasion skills. Got to be able to sell people on your results. Oh, that's a good point. That's a very good point. I think I'm going to crowdsource some of these questions. All right, so what do we think? I think that if we're going to have 5 questions per page, these can be a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and go back to the code, go to our custom section, right, which is the custom functions. Instead of an H1, let's make them instead of H3, let's make them H1. Let's also check the slider values. Yeah, I'm not sure either, Derek, how to put that in a question, but like, how salesy are you? that's kind of, I get your point, you know. Okay, so let's go back into DCC slider font size, I think. See some of these things we can customize. Let's just read that one. I'm sure it's probably a style, right? So it's probably going to look something like this: style equals, and have a dictionary. Ooh, and now it looks like is that like a, oh yeah, right here. Here's the, oh, the marks have a color. I just want the text. Let's see. Let's go back. Oh, I remember seeing one that had a different color right here, right? Okay, so style color equals. How comfortable are you in a situation where you have to persuade someone to see your point of view? Oh, I like that. That's really interesting. Okay, so you'll notice that these have styles and they have color associated with it. We can use, I kind of like the color actually. The font size is what's doing it for me. So let's just guess. Ready? Font size probably, and let's set it to 20. I don't know if that's gonna work. Let's see if it works. Nope. Type error slider. It needs. Oh, did I spell style wrong? What? Is there no style on the slider? There has to be a style. There's a style on the marks? What? Update mode, drag, step, div, margins, drag value, properties, marks. I guess it's probably marks. Huh. All right, everyone, it's marks. Don't worry. All right, so we need to do marks equals, I think. Marks equals, and then the question is, do I need to say, looks like style the dictionary is passed in. So how does that work? Okay, marks equals, and it looks like that, or no, hold on. And it just says style, so let's just put style in. And then it's I like that, and then it's that. Okay. Leaves it a little bit more broad than asking about sales. Yeah, I think you're right. I'm actually going to copy that. Hold on. How do I don't know how to copy that out of the comment. I'll add that comment later. I'll keep it'll be in the comments. Don't worry. You'll see it, Derek. Okay. I'll add it right now. What the heck? Why not? All right, let's just type it out. How comfortable are you persuading someone to see your point of view? No, not at all. Nah, in between. Pretty comfortable. I am king at this. Save. Okay. What was I doing? I was making the font size bigger. Did I stop it? I already stopped it. Try running. Save this too. I don't know what's different, but let's save it. Rerunning. Oh, it doesn't look like it worked. Keyword argument repeated. No good, no good. What's happening? Where are we? On the, oh yeah, custom functions. Oh, marks are right here. I'm a dummy. That was so stupid of me. Okay. Oh, I said it again. I'm sorry. Wolf of Wall Street, leave comfort. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so yeah, this is a mistake. So let's look at the help one more time. So it should have a label and a value, and then it should have, so that is the, okay, the label. Okay, so I need to put in the word label here. All right, I think if I use Command F, Command R, hold on, okay, replace, I can replace df row. I'm gonna be replacing it with label df row. Let's add a little space. Ink. And how do I, boom. Oh, wait, nope. What is that? What does this do? Replace, enter. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Okay. And now these need a style. Oh, that'd be kind of cool to do. Nope, Avery, keep it simple. Style. And the style is in a dictionary, which is the font size. Let's try that. And those are actually all going to be the same. And then we're going to close that. So I can actually just go wabam, 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 and then delete this, I think. And it's mad at me because why? Marks is ending. Oh, but the label. Oh, it should have two? Wait, it does. So those all end label. That ends the slider. That ends the div. I don't think that's mad. How am I distributing this survey? Is it for your students? No, it's going to be for everyone. I'm going to distribute it via the web. So it's actually going to have like a URL. So you're going to just type in the URL and be able to take the quiz. And then you're going to get all the results you need. And I'm doing it, one, to help people, because I think the quizzes out there aren't that great. And I'm going to do some pretty interesting things with it that are very unique, which is why I'm not using a software to build it. I'm building it from scratch. And two, I'm advertising my new course, which I'm really excited about, which is called, oh, well, you can't see it right now, but it's called Data Career Jumpstart. So it'll be free for anyone, and then it'll just be advertising for my course, basically. That's the goal anyways. All right, let's try running it again. Did it get mad at me? Invalid. Oh, wait, no. That's how it should be. 0, 26. All that stuff's good. Oh, commas. Commas will do it. Gotta have commas. Save. That pesky comma, am I right? Is always in the way. All right, Python index.py. All right, looks like it's running. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. We are hitting a limit here. So this is 6 questions, I think. It definitely needs a break on those. So the slider's over. Then let's add html.br to try to separate the pages a little bit. That's for one thing, those different questions. Also, yeah, I think also I can make it a little bit longer so it has more space, right? Which is in the page 1 section, which is 45%. We can probably make it like 65%. That would look good, I think. I will say we need like, I think the pages are going to have like themes. I'm going to add like an HTML.h1 here and say like soft skills or something like that. And we'll probably need an HTML.br there too. I think yes. Okay, save. Back. Doot. Doot. All right, I think that's actually pretty cool. We'll make that soft skills look a little bit cooler, and I think we'll just keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what? I'm noticing that all of these at the end are having trouble because they're at the end. I don't know if I'm going to do 5 or if I'm going to do 3. We'll have to decide. Which is the point about be introvert or extrovert? These are just kind of practice questions. I don't know if I'm sold on any of them now. But one thing I will say is there's definitely roles in data that involve more introvertedness versus extrovertedness. Sometimes you have to be able to like speak to a lot of people. Sometimes you're just a programmer and you're coding all day. You know, like right now I'm just coding all day. And then Derek's right. Yeah, I probably want to figure out all your questions before you decide on themes. Yeah, probably. Okay. So I'm pretty, I mean, obviously this is not done yet and it doesn't actually do anything. It just matches everyone to a data scientist right now and gives everyone the same PDF. That's not what we want, but we're okay with it right now. So I think we're going to go ahead and this looks awful. We got to deal with this, huh? Yeah, we want this to look good at least for right now. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to make this look good. Well, no, should I? All right, poll. All right, audience poll. All right, Claudia, Connor, Derek. I know you guys are watching. Anyone else who's watching, I got a question for you. We're 13 minutes shy of 2 hours. I'll probably quit at 2 hours for the day. At least streaming. I'm kind of losing my voice. So would you guys rather see me deploy this on a cloud application, or would you rather see me come up with the database solution, or would you rather see me clean up the front page of this, like make it look nicer and formatted? So once again, 3 choices. Make it look nice, database solution, cloud solution. Ready, go, vote. Connor, Claudia, Derek, vote, please. If you guys wouldn't mind. I'll do whatever you guys want. Whatever. We gotta do it all eventually, right? All right, while you guys are thinking, I'm gonna try to find that other logo. I feel like that logo. Here's one. Oh wait, no, that's not a logo. Did I not find one? Derek says front page. Anyone else disagree with Derek? You guys are seeing all these pictures of me that I've been trying to use. Whoa. I also got another front page. Sweet. You're getting all this. All right, Martha says front page. Everyone says front page, so front page it is. Something fun for the short time left. All right, yeah, that's good. That's a good point, Derek, because I don't know if I was even going to be able to deploy it on the cloud in 15 minutes. Okay, so the first things first, we need to have a better looking picture, I think. And we need to change the text. So let's start with the picture. All right, so let's start the picture. We're gonna start the picture. We're doing the front page. Appreciate all you guys' votes. All right, I'm gonna go to canva.com. This is where I make all of my like images and stuff like that. Once again, you guys are getting a sneak peek into all the stuff I'm doing. I'm building an awesome course that is going to be really comprehensive. It's going to be really cool. I have not told anyone about it yet. So if you guys see anything on this page, this is what I was looking for. Wide logo. Is that on my machine? Wide logo. Doesn't look like it. All right. This new course I'm building is going to be huge. It's like a giant course. That's really a boot camp. It's supposed to replace a boot camp. It's going to be a lot cheaper than a boot camp. And it's called Data Career Jumpstart. And this is where I made my logos. So there's my logo, and this is like kind of a more wide logo. So I'm going to download it as a PNG with a transparent background. I might double the size because why the heck not? Download. Okay, then, oh, but no, that's just for the logo. So let's just do, where's my Finder? Here, go to the top of downloads, the wide logo. Oh, it already was on my computer somewhere. All right, but now it's in my assets folder. Rename wide logo.png. Let's go to the, oh man, where is that being served? I actually don't even know where that's at anymore. Not on slides, I don't think, right? Is it on the index? Let's see. Logo. Get logo. Oh yeah. Right, it's its own function. Get logo, which is right there, right? And it's set to 100 pixels, but let's make it wide logo. And the height's going to be 100 pixels. Let's see how that looks. I won't refresh the page because I'll do it all at once. Martha says, I like canva.com. Just found it the other day, but not sure how to utilize it yet, but on it. That's sweet. I really like Canva. It keeps all of my stuff really easy to use. It's like Photoshop, but simpler. It's not as good as Photoshop, but at least it's something. Let's see. So that's how I want it to look. It's going to be up there. Okay, now we need a logo for the background, okay? And so let's see what we have. We need it to be kind of wide. We could just take, I have this one of me, which is kind of cool. I kind of like that one. This one's kind of cool. And we could take out the image. You gotta think, it's gonna be on this front page. What do we want it to look like? We might just want it to be like more like this, right? Yeah, I think we're just gonna take this. And we're just gonna delete some stuff and resize it, I think. So this is an ad that I'm selling my course on, or like part of the website I've built, basically. And delete all this, delete all that, delete all that, delete all that. Okay, now we're left with that image. I'm gonna hit resize. Oh wait, shoot, I need to, hold on, I need to undo all that. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, we're good. I should have done this first. Resize, custom size. The width is good. Let's make the height double, which would be what? 680. Copy and resize. That's what I needed to press. Weird that on my computer I can thumbs up people's comments, but on my mobile I can only reply. Get it together, LinkedIn. I know LinkedIn's not a great streaming platform. Okay, so now that I resized it, I'm gonna just make this stock image I got from like pexels.com or something, somewhere where I can use it for free, right? Then I have this just black box that has an opacity over it, so I can just like kind of turn down the brightness basically and make it look a little bit nicer. I'm still not convinced on that sizing. Let's just see what it does. So I'm just going to call this like dark computer page download ping. All right, and I don't know, the hard thing is I'm not very good at HTML, so I don't know what all of the consequences might be from doing what I'm about to do. But let's look up, let's close this. Let's look up HTML div size, okay? That's gonna have a height and width dimensions to it. And you just set height, is that what you do? The browser calculates the height and width. All right, so I think I'm gonna pass in a height and a width onto this. I'm gonna try to make it the size of the image, that's my goal. height. And it's going to be, how big is our image? 960 by 640, right? Or 680, 680. So 680 px. I don't know what this is going to do to the mobile version of this, so we're going to have to figure that out. Width 960 px. Okay, I'm not sure that's going to work. And oh yeah, we need to change the image too, huh? So instead of logo 2, it should be dark computer page. Copy that over. Rename it, grab the whole name, drag back onto this right here. Okay, hit save. All right, kill this, reload this. While it's reloading, let's think, what else do we need to do? We need to make these breaks a lot bigger. Maybe we'll add margins or BR. I don't know the difference really, to be honest. I'm not good at website coding really. All right, refresh this page. Oof. Darn it. Oh, who knows what I did wrong? I know what I did wrong. Hold on. Nope. I don't know what I did wrong. Never mind. I thought it was the same error I did earlier with the URL not being there, but the URL is there. Maybe it's the height and the width. Give me any information? No, it's not giving me any information. Let's delete these just for now. Okay, save. I also lost the other logo, which seems weird. Oh, you know what? This was kind of dumb of me. I forgot the way that this, let's close everything. This app has like an app inside of an app. I'm just going to delete that app. So inside of here has this thing called example. I'm going to delete that. Don't need it. Yeah, that's better. Now we need to check. Let's see. Now we need to find that get logo thing. It should have worked. Let's rename wide logo to be something a little bit more simpler. Wide logo. Oh, it's just wide logo.png. That's why that's not working. Wide logo. So that'll solve one problem we had, but the other problem we had was in the pages. Where's pages? Slides, I guess is what they call it. Intro. And it wasn't finding this. Let's make that a simpler thing as well. Let's just call it the intro.png. Okay, well, it looks like it should work. Resetting it. They're mad at me. Oh, it's just loading. Sweet, look at that, guys. So we have our image here. It's a little too big. So we're gonna go back to the get logo section, which is here. And instead of 100, maybe we're gonna make it 75. Save that. And this is still way too small. So, and also notice that this needs to be a white color now. So let's do that first. So let's just add a style at the end of this. Style equals probably font color, if I had to guess. I'm just gonna hope that I can say white. I don't know if that's the case. HTML6 seems too small. Maybe we'll make it HTML4. The input, let's just type in Avery Smith. I mean, that looks fine, right? averyjs@gmail.com. Yeah, that looks pretty good. The width could be a little bit bigger on those, maybe. What do you guys think? Should I make the width bigger? I think the bigger deal is just it's too tight. Um, let's try saving that. And let's try one more thing. Let's try making this div. Let's give it a height again. Height. And I'm going to guess. Oh, yeah, I know the height, don't I? 680. Just writing that. Reload. Refresh. Oh, see, that looks kind of interesting. Okay, so let's talk about this. All right, audience, do we like the double image? Yes or no? I don't think we like the double image. It's just filling it in because it's too wide. I think we should probably do one image. All right, well, let's just fix this stuff first. Notice it didn't do the white, so I must have done the white thing wrong. So let's try, is it just color? H1 color. Color or font color. Oh, I think it's, let's see. Style, property value. Yep, I know that. Background color. Set the background color for 2 different elements. I don't want the background color, the text color. The font family. Did I miss the font color? Am I dumb? Text color. Oh, I think it's just color. Okay. Let's do color. I think that's going to work. So let's go ahead and throw that into here. I think the white will look really nice. How are we on sizing? What do you guys think? That definitely needs to be dropped. I think this could probably be an H2. And then the formatting's still weird. So let's talk about that. Oh, sorry, I was looking at my other screen over here for a second there. Apologies, you guys didn't see me look stuff up. Derek says he kind of likes the image side by side. Huh? Anyone else like the side by side? I don't know if I do. I'm not convinced for it or against it right now. I'm gonna look up what does HTML.br even do. I know it's break, but like, can I pass something into it? I'm thinking it's a website. What is HTML.br? It is a line break. Okay. So can I add like adds a single break of line? I'm trying to think what's probably is it the right way to do like a big break size? What do you think? HTML BR size. Anyone know HTML know if I'm doing this wrong or right? Let's see. Change the height. BR display margin. Okay, 10 pixels. At least setting line height. Consider content. Sorry, I like the single image. I think I do too. Not like the way lower, but just so it's not so close to the top. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, actually, you're so right. Hold on. I'm a dummy. Hold on, you're right. So we have this HTML. I like it going across the whole page. I think I like a single image. I think Martha, I think you're right. I'll edit that in a second. We're actually gonna go back into Canva and do it, I think. But I need to test it on mobile too. That's another thing. Because I think a lot of people will take this on mobile. Which is sucky, actually. I'll have to figure that out. Okay, so you are right, Derek, that what I should do is do html.div and maybe do the div ends here. This is all wrapped in a div now. And I think all I need to do, oh, I need to say children equals. And put that down at the bottom. I think I can add a style down here, like margin auto, justify center. Let's try that. I think that should make it. Why are you mad at center? Am I blind? Oh, I am blind. It needs to be like that. Nice. Okay, now save that. Eric says, I do have to admit the single image makes it look more intentional. Yeah, it does. It just will look better like that. Okay. I wonder, oh, let's just try this. All right. So I'm hoping that these will turn white and it'll move down. Okay, they turned white, but they did not move down. Okay, so let's think. What am I doing wrong there? The white looks great though, huh? But yeah, this needs to be way more better positioned. So let's type in HTML vertically center text in div. That's what I was trying to do. I thought margin auto, padding, text align center. No, center align. This div is centered. Yes, white looks good. I agree, Derek. Center align elements. All right, let's see. Center an image, auto, margin left, margin right. Float. I am vertically centered. How did it do that? It's using a top and bottom padding. um, I don't really want to do it like that, I don't think. Padding and text align center. All right, so I guess I don't have, well, text align's already there. So I guess I need to use padding. I don't really know how padding works, so let's just try it. So my guess is you just go like that. And the question is, what is this? Let's just do dash vertically center text in div. Let's see if it gives me better. And there. After 2 hours, so it's a good thing I didn't do anything more complicated. I don't even know if a padding does it go like this? Doesn't seem good. We'll try this. I'm not too confident with that though. Should probably change the CSS if I had to guess. Well, it didn't give an error. It didn't do anything though. Okay, let's think. Let's go back into, let's look at our assets folder. Okay, there's no CSS. Let's see if there's any CSS here. Let's go find CSS. Nope, there's no CSS. Oh, okay. So what I'm gonna do really fast. Is there another VS Code open? Okay. I'm going to open, what am I going to open? Open some code over here. Hold on. There it is. And look at the main.py, open with, I'm just going to open with text edit over here. And oh, I thought I grabbed that CSS. Did I not? Let's see. Shoot. What was, oh yeah. This is, okay, never mind. It was for the Dash class. That's what I was doing. Let's see. Derek said, do those glows help with carpal tunnel, or are they purely form of fashion? They're just carpal tunnel. And it is cold down here, but yeah, it's just carpal tunnel. Let's see, education, dedicated. This is the course that we took, that we made. Let's see, and over here, yeah, okay. So see, let's open this up just in text edit real fast. I'm just gonna grab this right here. Let's put that into the main.py, which is, or app.py, right? Yep. External style sheets. Oh, okay. So it does have an external style sheet. I don't like the external style sheet. What if I just, hold on, let's see. Then it does, what if I just did this? Ready? CSS style. Does that ruin everything? All right, save. I think I can just refresh this page. Let's see. Did it already? All right, I don't know. Let's delete it. Reopen it. Okay. Derek, let me send you a link. Actually, I'll go there right now. Hold on. Oh wait, it's not there. Crap. Derek, I will send you a link. Okay. I'm gonna send you a link. Okay, so that really kind of wrecked the page, huh? And didn't really fix this per se. It made the button look better. Let's see the other ones. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have to undo that. What happens if I put both of them in? Let's see. So I'm just gonna type in that, and I'm just gonna add this guy to that. Save. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, now let's see if it fixed itself. Kinda. All right. I don't think that CSS is doing me any good, so I'm gonna actually just delete that CSS. We don't need it. All right. And this should take us back to where we were. So we got nowhere. Awesome. Okay, so now I need to think. I think we're just gonna add. Oh wow, let's think. I still don't get why that's not vertically centered. It should be, I feel like. Maybe it is now. Let's see. Oh, okay. Why isn't that vertically centered? I should be doing justify center padding. What do I mean 700 pixels? What does that do? Probably nothing. I don't think that pixel thing's doing anything. Fresh. I think that's my issue. So let's look up. Dash plotly div. What am I looking up? Padding. I don't know how I'm setting that. Martha, I love it. Dang it. Derek says, LOL, seems like maybe the front page option was the complicated one. Yeah, maybe. I guess we're 15 minutes over. That's okay. I want to finish it. So let's do it. Oh, you know what might be helpful? With the style parameter for more details. Style padding equals 10. All right, let's just do this. I don't think this needs to be a list. I think all this needs to be is like this. And it needs to be like, let's just say 10. Oh, let's say 100. All right, gotta reset. I hate how I'm having to reset this. I don't know what's going on that makes it do that. Maybe it's just not loading fast enough. Okay, so see how that works right there? That looks pretty good. Gosh, I hate that button. We're gonna fix that button. We're gonna make that button. That just looks like 2002 to me. So okay, we got somewhere here. First, I think we need a better image. So what I'm gonna do, well, actually, you know what? I'm on a roll. Do I have any appointments? Hold on. I don't have any appointments till 3. So you know what? I'm gonna keep going. All right. So if you guys have to go, no problem. But I think I'm gonna keep going because I'm on a roll. So this is so important because I want it to look good on. Derek's like nice. I want it to look good on what's it called? On mobile, right? And I don't really know what it's gonna look like on mobile right now. So I kind of want to know what's gonna look on mobile. So, or should I just make it and then make it look good on mobile later? A small gap between email and button would look good too. Yeah, I agree. I'm trying to. Yeah, you're right. Let's give me a second here. Give me a second to think. I'm trying to decide if we should deploy now, or if we should just make it. Because I'm trying to figure out how it might look on mobile. You know what? We're gonna keep going for right now. Let's just keep going. We won't deploy right now. Okay, so we'll just leave it like it is and see how it looks on mobile. So let's grab these inputs are ugly. They're okay, I guess, right? I think we need some padding, some more padding all over the place. I'm gonna try, you know what? Can you do this? Hold on. I saw someone do this once, I think. Can you do this? Hold on. I think you can you add this in VS Code? Like add a window, tile window left of screen. All right, that's not exactly what I wanted, but see, this is what I'm afraid of. It's gonna like look like that on mobile. All right, that's fine because mobile's gonna be like this. Actually looks okay. We'll have to figure out how to do some of the other stuff, but okay. Let's add a CSS file. That's going to make that button look a little bit better. So I guess I'm gonna go to assets and we're gonna create a new file. How do I do that? New file like that? Okay, nice. We're gonna call this avery.css, I think. And let's just go to the pen code. This one. Oh, where did my? Oh, how do I get back to the VS? Okay, there we go. Let's go. I don't think we're gonna need Canva again, so let's just go post that in there. Nice. Here's the dash style guide. We're gonna look for the word button, 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 button. Oh, search button. How do I search all the buttons? Let's see. There's the buttons. How do I see? These look a lot better with the button class. Button class is somewhere on here. Button element, buttons. Oh wait, no, I want. Oh yeah, wait. That's what I want. CSS. Oh wow. Button. Okay, so I think I just click and drag this, all of this, all of this. Yep, I think right there. I'm gonna drag that into assets. I'm gonna hit press save. I don't know like which one will overwrite which one. I think water. Oh, see? The button updated. Look how that looks so good. We just need to add some padding on that, I think. Padding. 0 and 30 pixels. What if I made it? Also, I don't want it to be see-through, right? Why is that the case? Is that see-through? Let's add, all right, so there's the color. Oh, background color, transparent. Yeah, we don't want that. What do you guys think? What do we want? The best part about VS Code is this right here. So what color should we do this? Maybe like that color? I don't know. Maybe like that color. And what happens if I add like 50 there? And let's just make the font size like a 19 maybe. All right, save. Let's see if I refresh this page. I was about to ask about the see-through. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. I didn't know you could do that. Okay. I don't know what the padding's doing. Let's make this like 300 pixels. What does that do? Nothing? All right, I don't understand that. Okay, I don't like that text color now. I think we'll probably want to make that one white if I had to guess, just to stay consistent. So let's save that, refresh the page. Okay, cool. 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 All right, we definitely need some padding. I'm just gonna throw it on this, I guess. So how did we do the other one? We just said the div has padding right here, right? Right there, padding 100. So now let's add some padding onto the, let's see, onto the, no, the button. So we're gonna just do style equals boop, 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 boop. Is it adding a gap between the text and the top of the bottom? Oh, is that what's happening? Was it moving up? It could have been. I wasn't really paying attention, to be honest. So it definitely could have been. All right, so if you add it directly to the CSS, it updates automatically. If you add it here, add at me? Nope, it's just slow. That looks so ugly. Okay, I just take my eyes off it. All right, so hold on. I'm confused. I think that's from my CSS file. Is that 300 pixels though? Probably not. I'm just gonna set this back to 0 and 10. Let's see, does that fix it? No, it's not. Oh, it's from this. So the padding does not work here. All right. Oh, maybe it's a margin, actually. Margin by top. And of course, it wants me to set everything. Okay. Sorry, I had to check a text from my wife. Yeah, the button got really big, but I don't think that, I think that was still the padding. Oh, fetch. The button's still huge. Why is the button so big, everyone? Did I do something wrong? All right, I probably need to. Let's see. Pushed everything up. I don't like that. Ugh. Frustrating, 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 frustrating. Oh, okay, hold on. I know what's going on here. I switched the wrong thing. I wanted to switch this, I think. X here. Padding there. I think that's just, I don't know. Let's try it. Aha! Victory, 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 victory. Booyah, baby. All right, that's too big, obviously, too big of a jump, but we at least got it working the way we want to. And we can actually copy that style. We can get like everyone's talking about. Yeah, we can put it in here. Um, something like, oh, fetch, like that. Oh, please tell me I didn't make an error. Okay, I think we're good. And I do think that's H2 is maybe a little big now. I don't know, maybe H3 is the happy medium. Control Z, undo. Yep. I have to do that a lot. All right, that looks great. Guys, look. That looks super good. I'm not sold on this button looking the way it does, but that's okay. I'm gonna be okay with it for now. Because I mean it's gonna look pretty good when it's. Oh yeah, shoot, that's a good point though. Because look at, see how it's like still high up here, and as I shrink it down, it gets pushed. All right, I'll have to have a friend look at that, or maybe do it when my brain's not fried. Coding forever is long. 2.5 hours. If it's not frustrating, it doesn't count as coding. They had a meeting and made an official rule. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so we have this quiz button here. All right, I'm gonna take it out of this mode. How do I take it out of this mode? That. Let's see. Looks better now. Yeah, looks better. Still not perfect, but looks better. That's for sure. I don't want this to be full screen. I want it to be like that. Okay, now we can go back and forth. That looks a lot better, huh? Okay. Email, and it's gonna have you put an email. It's gonna take me to the quiz. We're going to disable these until then. All right. Um, 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 I don't like how these are getting smushed. So let's go take a look at that real fast. There's a couple ways we could approach that. Save. So that is in what file? That is in page 1. And you'll notice that the div is going 65%. Right, right. So actually what we let's see. So we don't care how big this div is, right? Oh wait, no, we do. The question is, how do I like make it so it overflows? Or is it fine? No, I think we need to, because like the whole left side's fine. Or maybe it's just not that long. And I will say that on these, we need to add a margin on the bottom. So I actually think we're going to do margin bottom. And we need to make it, what do we make on the last one? 25, probably 25. Maybe a little less, maybe 15. Okay, save. Let's go back. It'll look pretty good though. I think this should go into here. It should probably be an H2, not an H1, if I had to guess. Okay, that's still gonna look pretty good. And I don't know, I guess I'll leave that for now. Okay, then next. Okay, and that's gonna look great. I think this is the best looking page so far, to be honest. I'm still not sold on how this looks. That's okay. Okay, so let's do the next step, which is to, what the heck, let's deploy it. Let's put it on the internet somewhere. Okay. So in order to do that, I need to make a decision about pricing and ease of use, because it's going to cost me money to host. Man, I'm out of water. What time is it? Almost 1. Yeah, let's just keep going. What the heck? So I'm going to type in GCP deploy dash application. Probably should have made a virtual environment. I didn't. I'm not huge on those, but yeah, I should have. The requirements.txt is in here somewhere, right? What? No? Yeah, it has to be. Require readme. I don't see requirements.txt. Did I miss it? Let's see. Slides. Require. Oh man, it doesn't look like it's there. Right. I'm gonna go check the website here where I got this from originally. Template anyways, from a guy named Russell Romney. What's up, Russell? Shout out. Yes, you do not have a requirements.txt file. That is fine. I will create us one in the just like regular section right here. Oh, my wife's calling me. I got to answer. I'll be back. Hold on. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Sorry. Quick timeout. Okay, so we decided we need a requirements Dxd file, right? Yep. Okay, so let's just do requirements.txt. Okay, in this txt file, we're going to need dash plotly. How funny would it be if she was watching and called to tell him where the requirements page was? I wish. I don't think my wife does that. Pandas. Well, I need anything else. Let's see. What other packages am I using? I guess that's it. I guess requests too, and random. I don't know if we need those left over from the template, but we'll include them. All right, save. All right, save. All right, now you guys get to watch me struggle through the stuff I suck at. All right, so no judgment. I'm not good at this. All right, so you can see I've looked at this before multiple times. How to deploy Dash application with Google Cloud Platform in App Engine. Okay. All right, so first let's go into our main.py, which for us is our, let's see, our app.py, right? And yeah, man, I'm getting a little tired, a little hungry, so hopefully I can do this. What's index.py? Oh, right here. So here's the part. Oh, is this going to be rough? What is this? Oh, it's just importing app on every page. Is that right? Import app. Okay, we're good. We're good. All right, so server import, let's check those. 850 host. I'm just gonna put it at 0.0.0. I don't know what that means. Anyone know what that means? Martha, you're still here too? You guys are stellar. I can't believe you guys are all still here. It's a long process, huh? All right, let's just make the port 850. That's fine. Debug. I'm gonna turn on true. Okay. And I have requirements, txd file, at least a good enough one. Okay. I think the YAML can end up being pretty simple. I'm gonna cheat and look at an old project I did and find the YAML. We're getting to the stuff I'm not good at. Let's see. Open in text edit. This is what it looks like. Yeah. So I guess it looks pretty similar to this one, huh? So let's just grab this. We're gonna create a new file. Really importantly, replicate what is in your main. Okay. So I'm gonna create a new file again. App.yaml. I don't know if it needs to be called app.yaml. Right. I know I don't really need. Oh, I don't need that. I know. I don't know how this works. A little worried about that. I don't think I need the basic scaling exactly like that. So let's see. Oh, it does have basic scaling. I'll just do that. Max instances 2, idle time about 10 minutes, Python 3.7, resources, CPU, gigabyte, entry point. I don't know what this handlers is yet, so let's just delete that. Save. Okay. Now, let's see. This is the tricky stuff. This is very tricky. This is cloud computing, data engineering stuff. I'm not great at this, so bear with me, bear with me. All right, so I have the app.yaml. No, version control, standard. All right, so now I think we can go ahead and try to do this. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. All right, so let's go to Google Cloud Platform. I think I have some, we'll have to see. Go to console. Come on, you stupid thing, load. All right, there you go. Sorry, I said stupid again, Derek. Try not to. Let's see. Alrighty. So let's see. I have a couple projects. We're going to go to here. New project. This project name is going to be, let's see. I think we're going to call it Data Career Quiz. All right. Create. Now, make yourself a, hopefully, since I made it, I'm in charge of it, right? Let's see, so it says project info. Okay, how do I go there? I get really lost really easily inside of Google Cloud Platform. All right, there's data career quiz. Nice. Project ID, project number, add people to this project. New members, me. Let's see, role. Currently, I'm an owner. Yep. Save. Oh, I'm already on this policy, so I'm good. I don't need it. Okay, now what does it tell me to do? Now it is on the Google platform. Now it's time to use the gcloud set value. Okay. This is where we get really tricky and we got to use the terminal. All right, so we're going to do boop, boop. LS. All right, fine. Let's type in. No worries. I had to unplug the laptop from the TV to let her watch her lunchtime show. Sweet. Hopefully the lunchtime show is pretty good. I want to watch a lunch. I want lunch. I haven't eaten lunch. I haven't really eaten breakfast. I need to go eat. I'm in the zone. Oh, my butt hurts too. It's like been, oh my gosh, my dog's outside still. I need to go get my dog. I'll be back. got some food. I don't know if my dogs had breakfast this morning, though. Let's see. Sorry, I'm going to be eating again. Okay. Gcloud, config, set project, data, career, quiz. I spelled project wrong. Oops, spelled it wrong again. Says I do not have access to it because I'm probably signed in as a different email. So let's do, let's see, Leapfrog Letter Factory. That sounds pretty sweet. Let's see, gcloud set user. That's right. Now I'm going to log in. Okay. Now I should be logged in. Let's try again. Nice. Okay, we did it. So far, so good. All right, now we type in gcloud app deploy. I don't know, probably US West 2. 5. Oh, crap. It's building in Asia South. I typed in, you're supposed to type in a value, a number, not a text string. Let's see. Yes, Peach has had breakfast. Okay. Do I want to continue? No. Try again. I got some beef jerky. Anyone want some beef jerky? Okay. Sure. I guess I'll change the area later. Crap. No good. Don't know what caused that. Not good. Let's see. Why is this happening? No, I've never had deer jerky. Is it pretty good? And beef jerky is so expensive. I'm thinking what can cause this. P4. I don't know what P4SA is. Let's try. Nothing. If I can understand what that even is. Trivial, but I had success making sure all settings are configured outside. Mm, is that what it is? Maybe it's this guy. Mhm. I don't know what that really means. Looks like it's working better now, though. We'll have to see if it works. Okay, while that's loading, I gotta think how I'm gonna do this database. I could just write it to Google Sheets, maybe. So one thing that's tricky is I need to keep track of everyone's email from page to page, actually. And I'll probably need to make an ID. Because if two people get on at the same time, how do you do it? All right, deer jerky is not cheaper. I love deer jerky. Living in Texas my whole life, I've always had friends who hunted and would hook me up. Oh, nice. That's awesome. I've never been a fan of deer meat too much. Oh, look. Okay. Well, that happened way too fast. So it says that it's working. I do not believe it, but let's go ahead and try. Gcloud app browse. That was too fast. I don't believe it's working. I'd be amazed if it works. Nope. Dang it. All right, so then you need to do gcloud log tails or something like that. Mm, um, gcloud log tails. Let's see. Gcloud logs tail. Is it? Maybe I can go look inside of the console here. Or maybe I can use inspect to figure it out. Not sure, not sure. Console 500. Let's see. So I think I need to go to the App Engine section. Hmm. I do not know where to look for the logs. Anyone know? It was too good to be true. It's gonna take me like an hour probably get this if I had to guess. So I mean, I should be able to do I have to like say the app, like just gcloud app logs tail? Like let's try that. Mhm. Waiting for new log entries. Oh, well, you already got one. It didn't work. Refresh. Nothing? You didn't get any? Um, mm-mm. Dang, I thought that's how you did it. I do not know how to do it, I guess. Oh, here's some logs. That's good. All right, so container called exit. Let's see. So it looked like it was working. Pull complete. Push done. Start. Push done. Start. Gunicorn. Ah, dumb. Need on your requirements.txt file, which I still don't even see. Where is that? Didn't I add that? I could have sworn I had a requirements.txt file. Oh my gosh. Did I not? Derek, missed your networking comment. Had a couple meetings. Yeah, networking difficulty is volatile. When I felt like I understood port forwarding and then was able to connect my NAT protocol VM, I wasn't able to connect my host server despite being open on my router. This one baffles me. I haven't gotten back to yet. I have decided to focus on Python training a bit after that. Well, Coulter, we're back in the midst of port forwarding, kind of. Yeah, well, for some reason, my requirements txt file never got created. Did my YAML? Okay, my YAML did. All right, so let's just create requirements.txt, and it needs to have unicorn dash plotly maybe, pandas maybe. Good enough for now. Now go back here, retry to do app deploy. Now it should have to load one file this time. This is a long process, just back and forth trying to figure it out. It's gonna take a while. Yes, I want to continue. I'm also gonna need to figure out how to do the database. You know what? You guys might make fun of me, but I might just use Google Sheets. The one thing, well, you want to get their, well, you need to keep their whole data the whole time, which is tricky because I don't know if that's being passed. I mean, it should. You have to get all the IDs too, of course. And then just write it to a CSV. So let's test locally in the meantime. So I got that figured out. The app YAML, I don't know if it's right or wrong. We'll have to figure that out. Okay, so let's say I'm using my app. Oh, I can't open up a new terminal. Okay, can't do that. So we need to decide if we're going to be using, I think a Google Sheet would be pretty sweet. Because I mean, you're not going to run into huge issues, I don't think. When they press that button, we just need to send it to the database, which is going to be the Google Sheets. That way I can look at it and it's a database at the same time. That'd be pretty cool. The question is, can I keep it all recursively though? Let's see. All right, so here we are, ls. Yep, we're there. Python main.py, is that what it is? What is it called? Index.py? And over here, it's loading everything. So we're going to run it. And what we're going to do is to test out, we're going to go to the last page, which is called slides last. And we're going to see, that's the thing, is I think we're going to have to use, I don't know actually how to do this, because I'm going to print. So for instance, I'm going to print, oh, but it could be saved there. Right? HTML. On another page. Is that a callback? I'm trying to think. I wonder if it even knows. How do we know? Okay, there it is running. Okay, now it says it's running online. It's not going to work again. It's going to take years to get it figured out. At least we're on the right track. Still loading. All right, 500 error. Gotta go visit the logs again. Jump to now. Okay, here are the logs. Oh, sorry. My dog's here. She can't have the beef jerky though. Love you, Peachy, but you can't have the beef jerky. Container called exit. Let's see, let's hide that. Master, arbiter, worker and process, Warner, listening at app valid, startup failed, exit code 3. App is listening. App invalid. Address. All right. So let's actually, I think my YAML's probably wrong. Let's go look at the YAML. 8080, and let's look at app. Oh, that's fine. Index. 8050. Aha. See, so that's an issue. So that's one thing that could be wrong. I doubt it's the only thing, but no way to really know other than just keep trying. So, yep. And deploy it again. Okay. Loading. And we need to think this through on locally. Let's see. Locally, so we have this page right here, but the question is, can I get all this information here? So once they've pressed, oh, and crap, did this get uncentered? No, come on, tell me it didn't get uncentered. All right, we're gonna have to, okay, I know where that's at actually. We can fix that. Because I did, that's because I told it to be, yeah, I need to put margin auto in here too. I don't know if those can coexist or not. We'll have to see. Maybe it's actually a padding. Save. Hey Maria, it'd be awesome for LinkedIn. When I'm using StreamYard, it only shows me who's watching on YouTube. It's not showing me who's watching on LinkedIn. So unfortunately, I can't see who's coming in and out. I'm building a Dash application. So this is an application built in Dash that I'm going to be using to have a it's a quiz to know like what data career you should go after. What data career is right for you? So I'm building it from scratch. I'm having some issues right now trying to deploy it. Let's see. It says it's deployed. I do not believe it. We will refresh it and we will check the logs. Jump to now. I'm pretty sure it's gonna fail, but maybe it will. It's thinking, it's thinking. It failed. All right, let's see if I can figure out where it failed though. Maria says I need that. Yeah, that's why I'm building it, Maria. Exactly. It's going to be really sweet once it works. The problem is I'm having a hard time getting it to work. Getting it to on the web. Listening at that address. Okay. Why is this 127 thing happening? Let's see. Failed to detect the app. Oh boy, I think that means my YAML's kind of messed up. That looks okay. App run server. App server equals app.server. Main runner. Oh, I think this is it. I think this is it. Hold on. I don't think it should be main runner. Right? It should be, let's see what their YAML has. YAML. Up. See, they have main server. Aha. And then let's see, server. See, they have that right there. Yep, so this should be main server, I think. Maybe that'll fix it. And let's deploy. All right, while that's going, we're thinking locally, how from page 1 to 2 to 3 is that information? When do I send it to the database? When do I send it to the database? When do I send it to the database? And I think really what you need is, I think you're gonna have, let's just make, even though it's, these questions aren't necessarily the questions I'm going to have, I'm gonna rename this. I'll leave it as quiz questions for now. Let's just copy it. Copy, paste, paste. All right, we're gonna call this one tech questions. I talk this one, I don't know. IDK. No, we'll call it person questions. Oh, that's a terrible name. Oh well. All right, so we have person questions and tech questions. Those are going to be the same. What we're going to do is we're going to go to page 1. We're going to duplicate it. Is that an option here? No, just copy it, paste it. Nice. We're going to call these page 2 and page 3. Page 2. And rename page 3. And maybe we're just going to call this one. Yeah, Coulter, it does. It is like the default internal IP for something. I'm not sure what's happening. Oh, I didn't even click yes. That's annoying. Gotta wait again. All right, so let's see. This is going to be reading person questions, maybe. No, they're all the same. And this is going to be reading tech questions. Yep. So you have 3 right there. And then these pages are also going to have obviously different ones. So this is going to be called like tech skills. I don't know. Person skills. Doesn't make any sense, I know, but let's just leave it for now. Okay, now what? Now what? Let's check that, I guess. Still going. I guess we can reload the other page here. Reload. And we're actually going to need a button on page 3, I think. So how do we take them from, because like page 3, or I guess in this case, you need to have a button down here that's going to say like, give me my results. And I wonder if I take off, oh, the nav bar is so nice though. I wonder if I take off the nav bar. Right, it says, oh, you can stream the, I'm sure we had an error, so let's just stream them locally here. Oop. Waiting for new log entries. Let's go here. Refresh the page. Another crappy error. Gosh darn. Worker failed to boot. What did you fail to boot? No module named main. Okay, that's a good hint. That's a good hint. I couldn't find main, which is probably here. Main. Yes, see? It's not called main. It's called app. Or index, probably, actually. Index. Let's try that. All right, retrying again. Iterative process. Okay, in the meantime, I'm thinking through, because I really don't want someone to, let's see. Yes, I want to continue. If I'm on this page, here, no, here. The nav bar is kind of nice, but really I don't need it. I just need it to do whatever this does here. Because I don't think I'm going to let people go back and forth, to be honest. Yeah, and then that looks freaking fantastic. Okay, so let's see what the nav bar is actually doing. This is going to be the hardest part. How do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do this? Let's see. Okay, so we know, where is that all that happening? Is that in the index? What's happening in index? Oh, we do. Slide count, current slide, children, update slide, show this number out of total. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Add the slides to the object in the space slide order. Okay, that seems good. Slide dictionary seems good. Nav style, nav button div. Helper function to return the navigation, buttons easily. So you can see that it has text, and it has width, and then it has color. My mouse is so weird. All right, callback. Listens to the previous buttons. Determine next slide name. Changes next and previous in the slide names. Okay, so look at this is like the next link and the previous link. And I don't think I really want a previous link. I think I just want a next link. The question is, I don't even want a next link really. But see how it does it on each one? I don't know how to do that because it's always there. Derek says, yeah, I dove back a while ago because I just thought it was fun, but I wanted to learn something about networking. And I ended up realizing it was something you'd have to put more time and effort into than you really wanted to. This is, again, before I was ever getting data analytics. This line I've been thinking lately, looking back into it. I don't know nothing about what you guys are talking about. So, okay. So the app it says is ready. We know it's not going to be ready. We know we're going to hit an error. Let's go ahead and stream those logs down here. Looks like it's failed. 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 Fail, 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 fail. All right, why did it fail? That is the question, though. Let's see if I can spot it in these tiny, tiny logs. All right. What? I still saw that no module named main thing. Yeah, right there. No module named main. Do I have a main module? I didn't know I had one. Main. Oh, if name equals main. Oh. Oh. What does my YAML say? YAML says index? I don't know. Let's try index here. I'm kind of just guessing. I might need to have a data engineer come help me. I'm not good at this stuff. I told you. A bunch of inners. We try to rerun the whole thing. Gonna have to press yes in a second. There it is. And then back to this, thinking this through. This isn't running either now. Okay, so why? Think about this for a second. It's just going the slide dictionary +1. Current total. Derek says, I got a little sidetracked, so I'm not sure what part you're working on now. I'm not either. I'm trying to deploy it to the interwebs on the cloud. So I'm doing that. And then the next part I'm working on is I don't want it to have these, I don't really want it to have these previous and next buttons, really. Wait, why? Oh, hold on. Why isn't this running? Oh, it just runs now because it's not main.py? Is that what's happening? Do I need to make this main again? Over my head. Okay, now it's running again. Makes me feel not great. Hold on. You know what? I'm going to change. I think I'm going to change. Does this use main anywhere? Let's see. Main. It uses main there. And then main.py is the one that has that, right? So I think I'm going to change. And what is the app? The app's nothing. I'm going to change. Let's just see index.py. Index. Index.py. Index.py. Index. Okay. I'm going to change the index.py to something that's main.py. Rename. I don't know if that's causing my issue, but I want to just keep it as straightforward as I can. This is going to be main.py now. How is this doing? I mean, probably failed, to be honest. I still don't really know what's causing any of the errors. Shutting down, failed to boot. Oh, okay, hold on. I see a new error now. I think we're on the right track. We need to go to assets, Avery CSS. No, we need to go to requirements.txt. And we need to add the other ones that we are using. I thought for some reason Dash was fine with that. I guess not. Let's load that. Let's load that. Let's load OS and import lib. I don't know. Save. What else are we using in any of these pages? Martha says, you'll get there. I gotta go for now. Excited to see the results. Thanks, Martha. You guys were here for a long time. Thanks, Coulter. Appreciate you guys being here. 3.5 hours, gosh. Oh, gosh. Okay, so I think that's the problem. Or at least one of the problems. So I'm just gonna reload everything again. And retry deploying here. And I need to think about this again. So it's nice. So I think I'll probably get rid of the next button. Or sorry, the previous button. I don't really like that. You get one shot at it for now. We'll just have the next button. And then when you get to the final next one, it's got to take some thought. Yeah, because we gotta like make this math, which is gonna work. Let's add the other pages in for now. I need to go to presentation and need to add page 2, page 3. Like that. I probably need to press the yes. I probably didn't do that. Yep. Waiting for nothing. Okay, so that's gonna go like that. On page 3, you need to get the information from page 1, 2, and 3. All right. So the question is on the last page. Let's open up that one. The question is here, can I get information from the previous divs? Okay. I don't remember how to do that. So let's try to find out. Dash call values from Is that a callback? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm getting a little frazzled. 3.5 hours. Wow. No matching distribution could be found. Line 7. Let's see what is that? Okay, yeah, I don't think I need those. Dang it. Save. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Um, 3.5 hours. Pretty excited about this, but I also haven't eaten lunch. I'm pretty hungry. And I think at this point, I'm just getting, sometimes you just need to take a step back or to take a step forward. And so I think I'm kind of just banging my head against the wall. And I think if I just like take some time, rest, forget about it for a little bit, I'm going to be a lot more effective. So, hey, I appreciate all you guys being here with me for 3.5 hours. You guys are awesome. Hopefully you guys, saw some sneak peeks and got excited. Maybe learned a thing or two. But yep, that's it for now. Have a good day.